So you have a new iPhone, you're new to the iPhone, or you've had one for a while. You don't do much beyond just clicking the white shutter button and snapping photos, and that's fine. But you're wondering, why don't your photos look as great as others? And I can help you with this because I happen to have a few ideas. I have watched too many people trying to take portraits at sunset that turn into silhouettes and bland photos that could look way better with some simple fixes. We're going to begin with preparation and continue through looking in depth at the lenses, the camera modes and what they do, the hidden settings in the menu, apps that you will use for photos and video, a separate lesson on the art of taking video on the phone, how to do macro and portraits, creative effects like time-lapse and slow motion. We're going to talk backup and accessories that you may want to use. I have been photographing with the iPhone since it was first introduced in 2007. I've been using it professionally for several years. Check out this time-lapse I made for a San Diego hotel. Take a look at some of my other pro works on the iPhone as well. Pretty cool, huh? I produce my PhotowalksTV series on mobile phones, primarily the iPhone, because I want to show what's possible with the same gear that you have. And because the quality has gotten so good, there's just no need to drag around big camera gear anymore, particularly for travel photography. We don't have any quizzes, but I will give you office hours. If you have questions that go beyond quick answers in the comments, please do me a favor and become a channel member. I'd really appreciate it.